Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a video commentary in Canva and download that as an MP4, which you can use in either PowerPoint or a Google Slide. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's start with Canva. So I'm going to open up my Canvas, and I already created a very simple slide. Canva is pretty easy to use. You can see there's templates, layouts. So pretty easy. You just create a slide and then you can choose your background, or you can upload your own background. But maybe we can get into Canva at another time. Anyways, so I've already created this slide and I'm going to click now present. And as you see, there's all these drop downs. It says standard, presenter view, present and record. So by default, it usually says standard. You're going to want present and record. So click on that and you're going to click next. In that now you'll see that sign that says go to recording studio. I'm going to click on that. And you're going to click on your start recording. Hi, so now here I am again. So if I was to be giving a message within my presentation, or some of my students might be using it, they might want to use this to talk about what type of research they've done or the information they're going to be displaying or talking about. So once they're done with this recording, you're going to go up here and hit end recording. And of course, this takes as long as depends on how long you speak. So if you talk a little longer, it might take a little longer to upload. And here you got your link. You can save and exit, or if you want to reuse this video in another presentation, you're going to click download. So of course, I mean, you can do this as many times as you like until you're actually happy with it. So once we finish downloading it, because I'm going to be putting it into a Google Slide, I need to actually download it and then add it into my Google Drive. So once it's downloaded, that's what I'm going to do, is that I will move it into my Google Drive. So let's open up our Google Drive right now. So now I've got my Google Drive. I've actually already saved the video into this. Otherwise, you would just click new and add in the file that you're looking for. So here is where I've already added it in. You can see how to add video commentary. So now the next thing I'm going to do is actually create my slide presentation. So I'm going to open up Google Slides. And I can say, for instance, say if I start a new presentation. And then I can just click insert once the little blue circle stops circling. So you're just going to hit insert and video. Video. And again, I'll click Google Drive. So my file's already in there, and I can just click the file I want, hit next. And there we go. So now that I've got this, I can say, for instance, slideshow it. Hi guys, so this is my tutorial and this is me in my little drop down box. So once you're happy with the message that you read, then you can click on end. So that's pretty it.